So now that you transfer P2P trading and you have some USD here, as you guys can see, now the money in the P2P trading will be at funding. As you can see, you go to your assets, click this assets overview, then you see, the P2P deposit. So the P2P deposit, right, no matter it's 1K, 10K, or 10 USD right here, then we need to start trading, right? So in order to actually start trading, you need to transfer your funding to unified trading. So unified trading is where you do the transactions and you do the trading, right? So how to transfer? Basically, just click this transfer icon right here, okay? And then switch it from funding to unified trading, right? Just press this switch button from funding to unified trading. And then you can easily press all right here. So you can transfer all of the USDT to unified trading. So right now I press transfer. Right now my money is at unified trading. Okay. So right now I want to start trading. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do spot trading first, right? How to do spot is by, hover over the trade right here and then press spot trading. So spot trading is like stock market where you buy the BTC, right? You buy the actual assets and then we wait for the assets to go up to gain in value, right? So right now I am BTC, which is the Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency. So if you want to search for other cryptocurrency, right, you hover your mouse to this icon right here, the BTC, and then you can search for a lot of different kind of cryptocurrency, right? You can use volume. So BTC always the highest volume. So you press volume, you sort by volume, and then you see. So BTC, Ethereum, Solana, obviously these are all the highest volume coins. Okay. If you want to see the changes, the most changes, you press this 24 hours change. You can see, right, Ruby have gained 61%, right, and so on and so forth. And then if you reverse it, right, KMNO have the highest drawdown right here. So you can play around with this. So you're on USDT, you can trade, right? USDC, right? All this Euro, BTC, all these things. But right now, the most famous one is USDT. So I spot USDT. So this is the spot USDT interface, right? Let's go one by one and how do we navigate through this interface. So again, this one is for you to select the coin. This one is the price, right? This one is the price of the coin. And then this is 24-hour change. And then it's a 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and so on. This is the volume, right? There's so much traded volume, right? 22,000 BTC traded in the past 24 hours. And then we have this daily interest rate. So this one basically for the borrow, right? You want to borrow funds from Bybit, you can. So this is the interest rate. I would not suggest you guys to borrow it because it's you need to give interest rates. Okay. And then we have this chart right here. So this section is a chart where you can see all the BTC price, and then we have the volume right here. So we have Bybit have this 10 MA, 30 MA, 60 MA. So MA is a moving average, and all this line here is a moving average. So I can actually hide it if I want to, or I remove it right here. So I can hide it right here. Okay, I remove it, right? I remove it. Or you can just indicator right here, indicate the sections, press indicate the sections, and then again I want to take back the moving average. So moving average right here, you type moving average, and then here we go. So if you want to set the moving average, you can go to here, right? You can set the moving average. Let's say I want to set to 24 moving average, meaning it takes 24 candles and average it out. So yeah, this is the moving average. So now we go to the order book. So order book right here shows buy and sell, right? It's a bid and ask price. So this is the bidding price and this is the asking price. So we have the seller and we have the bidder, right, that want to buy. So market is like, supply and demands, where there's supply and demand pushing the price up and down. So that's how we can see the order book and what's the price people, right, the nearest to the market price right here. So the market price right now is 60,700 K right now, 60,000 K. So the price are moving up and down right now. So if you want to draw a chart, you can use this drawing charts. If you know about trading view, basically it's like trading view, right? So you can draw charts, right? You can do a long position right here, right? This estimation long. So obviously long and shorts are at derivative, which will be in the future videos. But right now we are at spots. So let's say I want to have open an order, right? I want to open an order at, you know, somewhere around this support right here, right? 58 lah. Let's say I want to put at 58. So how do I open an order at 58? So over here, this section is where you can, you know, place an order, right? We have limit order, market order, and then we have our take profit and stop loss, right? We can set take profit and stop loss as well. So all these things, conditional, COC, trailing stop loss, iceberg, and TWAP, right? I'll explain in another video. But right now, I'm going to teach you guys market and limit, which been used mostly by everyone. So market is market execution. You buy at the market price. So right now, the market price is 60,732, right? And how many USDT you want to buy? So you can use this scroll to buy the maximum one, which is 10 USDT that I deposited in this account. Or you can manually type in, let's say I want to deposit 5, and then I want to buy at market price. So when you buy, you automatically execute the order, and then you buy at this price. So if you don't want to do that, you can use limit, right? I advise you guys to use limit because the trading fee is lower. So limit, we can use, you know, we can suggest the price that we want to buy. So we want to buy at, let's say, 58,000. And then again, the quantity of the BTC, right? I can just scroll out 100%, which use USDT here. So you can either type in the quantity of BTC that you want to buy or type in the USDT that you have. So basically, I suggest you guys to just use USDT because you don't really know, you know, how much your USDT conversion in BTC. So let's say I want to buy 10. So this is the 10, right? Since I have the balance of 10. So if you scroll down right here, you can see your balance of your unified trading account. USDT balance 10 USDT. Right? If you have 1K, you have 1K right here, then you can trade how much. So it depends on you how much you want to trade. So let's say I want to open a position of 10 USDT at 58K. So I buy USDT, I press this buy, and then press this buy right here. Then I have an order, right? So as you guys can see, right now my screen have this order, right? Limit order. So it shows that if the price goes down to this range, then I'll buy USDT, buy BTC at this price, right? I will buy 0.000172. So if you can scroll down here, your current order, you can see your order, queuing order. So this is a limit and market order. Right now I have a limit order right here, which is a BTC USDT spot limit buy. And then my value is about 10 USDT. And then my order price is right here. So order field. So if you can also press, you know, TP and stop loss if you want to. So TP and stop loss, basically if the price goes down to a certain range, it will cut loss for you, right? That's a stop loss. TP, if the price goes up to a certain range, it will take profit for you, right? So we can press this, take TP and stop loss, right? What is the price, right? Trigger price. So you can type the trigger price, right? So 65,000. So when the trader price reaches 64,000, with let's put it higher, right? 74,000. So my expected profit will be 2.75, right? From the 10 USDT, if the price reaches 74,000 per BTC, then I can gain a profit of 2.75. So it calculated everything for you. So stop loss, the same thing. Let's say right now my limit order is 58K. I want to put, you know, stop loss maybe at 50K, right? 50K. So I'll have the loss of 1.737 cents if the price reach 50K, right? Example. So if I press yes, it will execute this, you know, it will set the stop loss and the TP for me, right? So basically, yeah, I feel the TP and stop loss. Okay, you can also feel TP and stop loss right here. So this is pretty much everything you need to know about spot trading. Basically, spot trading is like stock market. You want to buy the asset at that price and wait for the price to go up and down. So the benefit of spot trading is, right, is basically low risk because it has no liquidations. If you guys don't know what liquidation means, it hits your, you know, your stop loss and all your account is liquidated, something like that, which I'll explain in derivative trading, which is the future trading. Right now, in spot trading, you can use this interface, right? Go to the spot trading and go and buy some. cryptocurrency. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.